आपका हमारे चैनल पे स्वागत है दोस्तों। आज आपके सामने इंग्लिश सॉन्ग लेके आ रही है माही। 2 3 स्टार्ट।
Here in this village you may see children living happily, different race and different land. Here we come to understand one another's point of view, learning through the things we do. How alike am I to you? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we live and eat and sleep, talk and laugh and sometimes weep. Here we share our hopes and fears, build a bridge across the years, sow a seed, a plant and tree. Beneath those branches there may be all the nations gathered free. 1, 2, 3, 4. That our children so may grow in the world we did not know, sharing all they have to give, learning how to love and live. In our hands the future lies, seize the moment, there it flies. Stamp the present with an act, dare to make our dreams a fact. Thank you.
आप हमारे चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच।